In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google Office location. This guide is a quick and efficient way to ensure your business is visible and accurately represented on Google. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First up, you'll need to access Google Business. Start by signing into your account. This step is crucial as it allows you to manage and update your business information directly on Google. Ensuring your business information, including your office location, is accurate and up to date makes it easier for customers to find you. After you've successfully signed in, navigate to your business profile. This is where all the magic happens. Your business profile is a powerful tool for managing your business's presence across Google, including search and maps. By clicking on your business profile, you gain access to a variety of options to edit and update your information. Once you're viewing your business profile, look for the option to edit. This button is your pathway to making significant changes to your profile, including updating your business location. It's important to ensure that your business's physical address is correctly listed so customers can easily locate your office. Following the edit option, proceed to click on Business Location. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how your business location appears on Google. Accurate location information is critical for helping customers find you, whether they're walking by on foot or navigating via GPS. Next, you'll need to select the option to show business address to customers. This step is particularly important if you run a brick and mortar business or if your office location is a place where you welcome clients or customers. Making your business address visible ensures that when people search for your business, they can easily see where you're located. Finally, after you've confirmed that your business address is correctly entered and visible to customers, it's time to save your changes. Click on Save to make sure all the updates you've made are applied. This action will update your business profile across Google services, ensuring that anyone looking for your business will find the right location information. Remember, keeping your business information, especially your location, current on Google, helps improve your visibility and makes it easier for customers to interact with your business. Take these steps today to make sure your business is easily discoverable on one of the world's most powerful search engines. That wraps up our guide on how to add your Google Office location. Follow these simple steps and you'll ensure that your business stands out and is easily found by your customers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for